How's it taste? Orange tastes good too? Yeah? You almost finished? What are you eating?
Ice.
Oh. Do you like ice? Me too.
I too.
Olivia too.
Oh, done.
Is it all gone?
Uh-huh.
Gotta decide where to bite next, huh?
Nine.
You don't, do ya?
Nine.
Olivia, don't rub it in your hair.
Oh,
We'll have your head on right now. Olivia, don't worry about your bib. Just eat your ice cream, please. Eat your ice. Num num num. Num 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 num. Eat it. Num 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 num. Eat it. Yeah, I'm talking to you. Eat it. Olivia, you lost a great big bunch of that. Let me help you.